Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. Pretty straightforward process. You need one of the 2450 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. It's not necessary, but I think it makes the job a lot easier. So right here, you want to press in this button and slide out the mechanical key. Take your mechanical key, you can kind of insert it right here, twist that, and pop that back piece off. It's going to feel pretty difficult, but you can see how much pressure I applied there. That little notch is what gets stuck. Okay, so now I'm going to take my screwdriver, place it right here, pull out the old one, take out the old battery, new one goes in that orientation, positive side facing out. And this, I'm going to clip that side in first, just give it a good squeeze. That slides in there and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.